The UT Bots Alert indicator on TradingView is one of the best buy-sell indicators currently out on the market, and I'm going to show you exactly why. This TradingView indicator generates buy and sell signals based on a trailing stop that moves with the volatility of the market. The script uses the ATR, the average true range, indicator to calculate distance of the trailing stop from current price. Another great part about this indicator is it also bases its signals off Heikin-Ashi, if that's something that you like to use. The best signals that I've found for this indicator is for 2 and 10 for the ATR period. The style I've left the same but turned off the bar candles. And I've had a lot of success with this indicator on Bitcoin on the 1 minute time frame. I do believe this indicator gives much better results than any of the other super trend indicators or any other buy sell indicators currently out there, and it's definitely in the top 3 indicators on TradingView right now. Here's one strategy that you could check out for yourself. You can see we've got the UT Bot Alerts buy sell indicator here. This red and blue line represents the trend magic indicator that you can find on TradingView. I've left the default settings on here but put the indicator time frame to 5 minutes rather than the 1 minute time frame. This gives us a better perspective on trend. And finally down here is a standard TDI, but I've turned off everything else except for the RSI line, which is green, the market base line, which is orange, and the 50 mid line, which is red. For example, for a sell trade, we'd only be taking the alerts when the green line is below the orange and the orange line is below the red, and for buys when the green line is above the orange and the orange line is above the red. This is definitely a strategy that you could check out, and if you want me to fully test this, please leave a like on this video and I'll do a full backtest on this strategy. I've left a link down below to the UT Bot Alerts indicator on TradingView. Definitely go add it to your favourites and check it out for yourself, especially if you're someone that likes to use the super trend indicator. I definitely would check out replacing it. If you have any indicators you want me to check out or fully test, please let me know in the comments below, and thank you for watching.